Did you know that falcons are the fastest animals on Earth? They can dive at speeds of up to 242 miles per hour. They have a sharp eyesight and can spot prey from miles away. They use their speed and sharp talons to catch their prey. They are found in all parts of the world except for Antarctica. Falcons have a wingspan up to 4 feet. They can live for up to 20 years. They are monogamous birds, meaning they mate for life. They lay 4 eggs per clutch. The eggs hatch after about 35 days. The young falcons fledge after about 45 days. Falcons are important predators in their ecosystems. They help to control populations of other animals such as rodents and birds.